This year, we fundamentally see the Mana digital money turning into a very top gainer many weeks, which sort of is genuinely critical. There essentially is nothing unexpected, which generally is very critical. All things considered, Decentraland sort of is one of the stars of the play to procure pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital money market, which is very huge. How is the undertaking growing now? And what could we at any point most certainly anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? We should sort it out. Decentraland in every practical sense is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain, which in a real sense is very critical. The venture fundamentally was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015, or so they thought. Thus, you can generally see that this game especially has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, the computer-generated experience stage fundamentally was open to the really open simply in 2020 in an unpretentious manner. Decentraland clients can in every practical sense purchase and for the most part sell land things while partaking in the game in association, which by and large is very critical. It in every way that really matters resembles a web-based game, or so they in every practical sense thought. Be that as it may, it generally centers around especially friendly and financial connections among clients and not on the actual interactivity, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Clients convey, in a real sense, go to addresses, open stores, and explicitly investigate the world and new articles in it, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doesn't it sort of help you to remember anything, which generally is genuinely critical? This for the most part is Minecraft of a by and large decentralized world in an unpretentious manner. Everything land in Decentraland generally is partitioned into 90,000 packages called bundles. The essentially starting size of one package, all things considered, was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space, which fundamentally is very critical. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote, or so they for the most part thought. Just later, the size of each bundle explicitly was expanded to 16 by 16 meters in an exceptionally significant manner. Each package explicitly is an ERC-721 certainly token, land, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Other than packages, there especially are streets and courts in the realm of Decentraland in an extremely significant manner. Clients can't in a real sense get it in light of the fact that no one but engineers can truly make objects on them, which truly is very critical. Streets sort of are required for clients to explore the virtual world, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The courts explicitly are points of fascination for clients, lovely recreational areas and data zones in a quite enormous manner. The by and large nearer the land really is to the streets and squares. The essentially something else in every practical sense, costly it explicitly is in an unobtrusive way. The region around kind of focal square especially is the most costly, very much like the truly focal park property in New York in a sort of huge way. The universe of Decentraland in a real sense has topical zones called regions. For instance, there generally are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region truly is claimed and basically oversaw by a nearby local area. So in any case, the computer-generated simulation stage generally was basically open to the really open simply in 2020, or so they thought. Tragically, the land in every practical sense, such regions in every way that really matters, is as of now not accessible for buy in a quite enormous manner. We should envision that you for the most part got land in a sort of huge way. How might you discard your buy, which for the most part is very huge? Decentraland Value Forecast 2023, which certainly is very critical. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it sort of is expected that in 2023, the genuinely least cost of Decentraland will explicitly be around 59 cents. The especially greatest expected Mana cost may especially be around 69 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost could basically be 60 cents in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024, which in a real sense is very huge, in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland. In 2024, Mana especially is supposed to have the accompanying kind of least and in every way that really matters. Greatest costs, about 86 cents and $1.06, separately and in every way that really matters, significant way in a real sense. The especially normal expected exchanging cost for the most part is 88 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money especially have examined the costs of Decentraland and their vacillations during the earlier years, demonstrating the way that Decentraland clients can especially purchase and explicitly sell land things while partaking in the game and communication, or so they thought. It in a real sense is expected that in 2025, the truly least mana cost could drop to $1.26. While it's in every practical sense, most extreme can by and large reach $1.52, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Overall, the exchanging cost will sort of be around $1.31, which really is genuinely huge. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In light of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially greatest and really least mana costs generally are normal in 2026, $2.17 and $1.78. Overall, it will for the most part be exchanged at $1.85, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027, showing that each bundle basically is an ERC-721 pretty token, land in an unpretentious manner. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Decentraland in an unobtrusive manner, in view of their expectations. The assessed in every way that really matters. Normal mana cost will especially be around $2.71 amazingly. It could drop to a really least of $2.63. However, it actually could reach $3.09 all through 2027, or so they generally thought. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists for the most part get ready estimates at the cost of Decentraland, or so they certainly thought. It really is assessed that mana will generally be exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.71 and $4.56 in 2028, or so they most certainly thought. Its genuinely normal expense basically is normal at around $3.82 during the year in an unobtrusive manner. Decentraland Value Expectation 2029 in an unpretentious manner. Digital currency examiners most certainly are somewhat prepared to sort of report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost, showing how notwithstanding the computer-generated experience stage explicitly was basically open to the extremely open simply in 2020, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The year 2029 will not set in stone by the greatest mana cost of $6.40, which really is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $5.25. Thus, the certainly normal exchanging cost truly is $5.44. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Following quite a while of investigation of the Decentraland cost, crypto specialists are extremely prepared to sort of give their mana cost assessment to 2030, exhibiting how its typical expense sort of is normal at around $3.82 during the year, or so they sort of thought. It will by and large be exchanged for something like $7.93, with the especially conceivable really greatest tops at $9.22 in an unpretentious manner. By and large, you can anticipate that the mana cost should truly be around $8.14 in 2030 in a sort of enormous manner. Decentraland Value Expectation 2031, which certainly is genuinely critical. Digital money experts truly are somewhat prepared to especially declare their assessments of the Decentraland's cost, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the most extreme mana cost of $13.47 in an unpretentious manner.